Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook login error, incorrect password. If Outlook keeps showing an incorrect password message, even when you're sure your sign-in details are right, there are a few simple things you can try to get it working again. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the available repair paths in a clear and practical order. First, open the Run dialog on your Windows computer by pressing the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens a small command box that lets you launch programs directly. In that box, type onedrive.exe followed by a space, then /safe. After entering that command, press Enter on your keyboard to run it. If a prompt appears, click OK and then sign into your account. This step can help refresh the Microsoft sign-in process, which may affect Outlook authentication as well. Make sure you enter your account credentials carefully and allow the sign-in to complete. If the issue continues, the next method is to repair Microsoft 365 through Control Panel. Open Control Panel on your PC, then click Uninstall a program. Even though the wording says uninstall, this area also gives you access to repair options for installed Microsoft apps. Once you're in the list of installed programs, find Microsoft 365. Right-click it, then choose Change. This opens the Microsoft Office maintenance options. From there, click Repair. Let the repair process run fully without closing the window or restarting your device unless prompted. This can fix damaged files or configuration issues that may be preventing Outlook from accepting your login properly. There's also another way to reach the repair option through Windows Settings. Open Settings, then go to Installed Apps. In the search area, look for Outlook. When you find it, click the three-dot menu next to it, then choose Modify. After that, scroll down until you see the Repair option and select it. This is a useful alternative if you prefer using the modern Settings menu instead of Control Panel. As you work through these steps, it's a good idea to give each method enough time to complete before moving to the next one. Repair tools can take several minutes depending on your system. After finishing the repair, try opening Outlook again and sign in once more. In many cases, one of these methods resolves the incorrect password error by refreshing the app or repairing the Microsoft 365 installation. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get Outlook working normally again.